Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing of an Aliexpress watch, well, Aliexpress brand called Escapement Time. This is my second watch from them. The first one that I have is this one here, and to be quite honest, I was so impressed with the quality of this watch. This cost me for around $70 or so. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description box below for both of them. And I was so impressed with the quality of this one that I wanted to get another watch from them. There's only one store on AliExpress that does this, and it's just them, the Escapement Time official store. Like I said, affiliate links in the description box below. And the quality that they produce for so little money is absolutely incredible. Now, I might be a bit late reviewing this one or unboxing this one because it's not technically a review, but still, nevertheless, better late than never, if I can say that. Now, let's get into the unboxing and show you guys what I have in here. So, like I said, the main reason why I actually went for this is because I was so impressed with the previous watch that I bought from them, and I wanted to get another one. And this one also has an incredible set of specs for I think it's around $79 or the equivalent of 60 something euros or so. I'll show you guys immediately. We'll go through them as we take the watch out. I don't want to cut the watch. Also, I have to apologize for not posting in a little while. Again, my daily job doesn't allow me to post as often as I would like to. Almost hit the camera there. Just let me just put this away. There you go. And same as the previous one, this one comes in one of these. Put that away. One of these little padded envelopes, padded bags. So, Escapement Time, same packaging as the other one. Yeah, let's just take this out. Whoop. I like the fact that they don't spend a lot of money on packaging, by the way. They're just a plain cardboard box. Ooh. And there it is. There you go, guys. I think this is an homage to an old Grand Seiko. Not entirely sure, but it's not an original design. It is an homage, but it's such a clean looking watch. And what I particularly like about this one is the fact that it has a Seiko, a VH31. I think that is the movement. So this is a quartz watch, and it has the 4 ticks per second. As you can see here, for a quartz watch, the hand moves quite quickly there. Well, 4 ticks per second to be exact. And according to their specifications, they would say that the hands are blued, so the second hand is actually heat treated. Now, I'm not entirely sure that's true to get it blued, but still. Now let's get the plastic off this guy here. Look at that. That looks so nice. Now the strap is not the best, but still. The finishing on this is actually so good. The Escapement Time, I think that's their logo there. So Escapement Time, quartz, pretty straightforward. This is a beautiful, beautiful dress watch. Obviously, like I said, it is an homage to an old Grand Seiko, but I actually quite like this very much. This is a great alternative for a dress watch that, you know, don't spend a lot of money on it. It has sapphire crystal as well, also on that Seiko VH31 movement. Quite a good set of specs. The strap is a bit stiff, I would say, but still Time King 20 genuine leather. Now let's put this on and see how it looks like. This is actually really good as well, so that's why I was saying I was particularly impressed with it. I recommended in one of my AliExpress sales videos, I recommended Escapement Time in the past, and the thing with it is that, again, for not so much money, you're getting such a good watch. And on sales when AliExpress sales are on, they don't really reduce the prices, but then again, both of these watches are around, so this is 70 euros, sorry, 70 euros or 70 something dollars or so, and this is $79. So again, really good set of specs. So let's put this on wrist and show you guys how it looks like. That's beautiful. That is actually a very nice looking watch. It's thin also. Again, just need a better strap, but I quite like it. That looks very well. I'll probably use this at some stage after reviewing it. I'll probably use this in a giveaway. It's such a great watch if I don't end up keeping it. But yeah, that was it, guys. A very good watch from for not a lot of money, from a very good brand. As I'm looking at this, beautiful polish along the case as well, along the sides of the case. Very nice. So that was it, guys. That was the unboxing for the Escapement Time dress watch / Grand Seiko homage. Like I said, you will find affiliate links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, just give us a like and a subscribe and a like. If you want to see more content, I'll try and post a lot more videos in the upcoming weeks, since now I won't be as busy. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.